up, Minecraft people? Because I am back and we're going to do yet another Minecraft figure today. We're going to be doing the witch. Yay, witch. This guy is actually pretty easy and pretty basic, and I'm going to move quick, so be ready. Buckle up. Here we go. You're going to start out just like all the other figures with a rectangle and a square for the body and legs. The rectangle's a little shorter this time. You'll see why in a little bit. But for the arms, instead of going down the sides, I make one thin, longer rectangle and then fold it across the chest, as you can see there. And I use my fondant smoothers to sharpen off the edges. You want to try to keep it square. I am just adding some marks with my knife blade to show separation, so it looks like the person's wearing a cloak and the arms are not one weird piece connected in the front. The head is a rectangle of flesh color. It's an inch thick, just like the other heads we've made so far, but this one is rectangular. It's not square like the other guys. And the body, again, like the others, is half-inch thick. After I added the head, I just add a little tiny rectangle at the collar for flesh color, just because that's what the people had. So I don't know. I guess they just got an open collar robe on. I'm measuring out the nose here. I made a little rectangle, a little flat one, and I mixed the flesh color with brown to make it a little darker, so that gets it a little different color. The eyes, as you can see here, are just two brown squares with two white ones on the outside. And the mouth, I use my food coloring marker just to draw a line on there, but you got to make sure the mouth comes out past the nose on either side when you attach it. And you're going to see this right here. I add a little bit of water, just like everything else I attached, a little water on a paintbrush, and press it into place. And again, make sure it's so that the mouth is peeking out on either side. Again, I'm going to use my food color marker, and I'm just drawing on some eyebrows to make them look more serious, I guess, because witches are very serious. So now I'm going to make the hat, and as you can see, I also added pants and feet, just brown and gray. You can figure that out, just little rectangles and attaching. The hat is just black rolled out thin and cut into a square, a little bit wider than the witch's hat, and then a thicker piece of black that I cut a smaller square and yet a smaller square and stacked them up to kind of give the pointy look. And here I'm making the medallion that goes on the hat. It's just a thin gray square with a little bit of green in the center, and attach it to the top with water again. The final touch is going to be a piece of green that goes down the length of the robe. I attach it, and then I press the blade down to make a crease that follows the pants and everything else. And there it is. So, yeah, she looks good. It's a witch, and it's not that hard. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and let me know. And I will be with you again next time. Thank you very much for watching.